y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. You already know it's time to get this 1 hour on the timer and start our power hour. I moved through a bunch of rooms during this power hour, getting as much as I could done. So if you're ready for this motivation, go ahead and leave me a like and leave a comment. Let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. And I'm just going to start by picking up the kitchen, getting it all tidied up so we can keep on moving.
Time we could break, I'm running dry. Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah.
So before I get too far into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with Rose Smith, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself right here.
Hey you, my name is Ro, and as you can see, I have a cleaning motivational channel, and I'm so excited to be doing this collab today with this beautiful lady. You have no idea. But anywho, I do have cleaning, and I'm a professional organizer, so I also do organizing on my channel and decorating. So if you like that type of content, please come by and say hi in the comments so that I can get to know you.
Alright you guys, so once you're done watching my power hour today, head right over to Rose's channel and see what she got tackled in her power hour. Show her lots of love. You're going to love her channel. She is super motivating and she always cracks me up. So head over there and tell her that Sean from Squeaky Clean Life sent you.
Good for you. What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk, meet me at the avenue.
If you're new or coming over from Rose's channel, I just want to welcome you and say hi. My name is Sean and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of two. I live in Mississippi with my husband and our two kids, and over on my channel I post power hour cleaning motivational videos every single week. Currently I'm uploading every Sunday and Wednesday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I really hope you enjoyed my motivation enough today to subscribe. Make sure you turn the bell on so you don't miss any of my uploads, and leave me a comment so we can chat and get to know each other.
I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay. But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you
So y'all, I am new to the air fryer game and I know I am late and I really don't know what I was waiting on, but I am loving this one. I don't think I've even turned the stove on in like 2 or 3 weeks because we just air fry everything nowadays. It's so quick, so easy, so convenient, and I know most of you already know because you have one, but I did get this one from Amazon and I absolutely love it because it's big and it's just nice. So if you are in the market for one, I will have this one linked in my description box just in case you want to check it out.
You, the way you used to hold me, and started the world singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind.
So during my power hours, the kitchen tends to take me the longest to clean. That's why I like to start in the kitchen because I know it's going to take me roughly 30 minutes and then I can kind of plan around that and see what else I'm going to get done. Now, I always have a mental to-do list. I know which rooms I want to do and what tasks I want to do in the rooms, but I don't always know exactly how long it's going to take me. So starting in the kitchen kind of gives me a good idea, and I'm just showing you this method, daily granite cleaner, that I've been trying out and I really like it on my countertops. It does a really good job and it smells really good.
Cruise control and take the long way home. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. I remember when you put a spell on me, it drove me flying crazy. Couldn't see back then what's now in front of me. The disco's long gone, baby. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad, and you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, unlock my cups, rip them off.
So as per predicted, it just about took me 30 minutes to clean the kitchen, and now moving on to the dining room, which wasn't a mess. So I'm just getting the table all shined up and clean with my orange glow. You already know, if you are a loyal, I love this orange glow on my wood table. It just gives the best shine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the table back put together, and then I'm going to sweep and we can move on.
I would never tell, would never fall apart. I drove my mad heart insane. Now all I do is fly and all I see is stars. Riding that shotgun wasted. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. Unlock my cups, rip them off. This is voodoo love, voodoo love. You'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. Oh, 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 oh. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. I'm a fool in love, fool in love. So
Drop me a bucket emoji in the comments if you're cleaning along with me. And yes, I had to check and make sure that was a real thing, but it is. So leave me a bucket emoji if you're cleaning along with me today.
voodoo love, you'll be my anchor while I'm the sea for all eternity. I'm a fool in love, fool in love.
So we got 20 minutes left on the clock, and I'm going to do the quickest living room clean in the history of living room cleanings because you girl got to get moving. I told you guys I got some rooms cleaned today, and I don't want to spend too much time on the living room, and it's not that messy, so we're going to get it clean right now.
I'm a fool in love, fool in love. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind.
So I know you guys are looking forward to seeing my new area rug, and I actually had to send it back because it was the wrong size when it came, but that is okay. I should have it in a few days, but I do batch film my videos, so what you're seeing now I probably filmed weeks ago, so you will be seeing it in a future video.
Through all the lanes, sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to you. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind.
Alright, so the living room took 8 minutes, not too shabby. We have about 12 minutes left on the clock, and right now I am cleaning the kids' bathroom. I'm going to start by putting some toilet bowl cleaner in the toilet, and then I'm going to clean the toilet. And I like to do it this way because you're supposed to give this toilet bowl cleaner about 10 minutes to disinfect. Do I do that all the time? No, because I do like daily wipe downs of the bathroom. And this is pretty much going to be like a daily wipe down. I'm just using a disinfectant wipe. I don't have time to use different sprays and cloths, and it's a power hour. We want to get as much done as quickly as we can. So we want to make sure that we're doing things that help us save time.
Sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk. Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to.
5 minutes left on the clock, you guys, and we have two more rooms to clean. Are we going to get it done in just an hour? You're going to have to keep watching to see, but right now I'm in my son's room and I'm going to try to do a quick little wipe down of his room, make his bed, and just clean his floor. Honestly, though, I was asking him, like, do you want me to clean your bed because the kids were playing on the bed? And he said no. So I moved on. That's okay. If he doesn't want his bed made, it's fine. They're going to play in it and mess it up anyway. And mama is short on time anyway.
Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my.
All right, y'all. So, moment of truth. The timer went off on me when I was vacuuming Blake's room. So, this is just bonus footage at this point. It took me an extra 7 or 8 minutes. That is okay. It's still within my hour, and it's not like I had something to run out and do. So, I'm going to go ahead and get my bathroom wiped down. I'm just using those same disinfectant wipes to clean everything. And then we will finally be done with this power hour.
Oh, yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh, yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing.
Okay, loves, we are approaching the end of this power hour. If you have stuck with me this long, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you for watching these videos until the end. Don't forget to leave me a like if you've enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. And if you need more motivation, make sure you check out my power hour cleaning playlist linked in my description box. And you guys, head on over to Rose's channel and show her lots and lots of love once you're done watching my video. All of her information will be linked down in my description box below. See you next time. Bye.
Do anything for what we started, but this time